Hey guys, Discover Chiropractic here, and I'm Dr. Hess. I'm with Tia.
Hi, how are you doing?
And I want Tia. Tia has such amazing testimony. By the way, you have your perfect shirt on today. Expect
Yes,
miracles.
please come in expecting miracles. This is exactly what you're going to get when you come out.
So,
Yeah.
share your. Would you mind sharing your testimony? I know there's a lot to share, so we've got about 90 seconds or so. Go ahead and do the best you can.
I'm going to try to spit it out as quick as I can. I came in miserable, left arm pain continuously. My neck, I couldn't move it to the right. I could barely move it to the left. Unbeknownst to me, when I first began, I couldn't even bend my head back enough to gargle. Since coming, and I also had thyroid problems and anxiety problems. Since getting adjusted on a routine, regular basis,
right.
the arm is great. There's no pain. I used to have radiating pain down my hands. I'm able to use my hands. I've been off my thyroid medication for 6 weeks now. Yeah, right? Okay. My seasonal allergies, they tried me, but then they subsided as well. I'm looking forward to the fall. I used to kind of just dread it, and I know that I'm going to be able to get through that. And also the faith and the care and the wellness, it's all a whole. It's not just in one part. They don't want to get you in and get you out. They want to get you in and get you seen and get you treated so you can feel better. When you feel better, they feel better.
Yeah, it's awesome. Listen, one last word to someone maybe that's watching right now and they're thinking a little skeptical, on the fence about coming in. What would you say to them?
I would say, you know what? To each his own. Let those people have their opinions. But I can tell you this. I've not heard a complaint about the chiropractics yet. You can hear those from people who have never experienced it, but until you experience it yourself, then you will know to come in expecting miracles.
That's right. That's so awesome. Guys, thanks so much. Discover Chiropractic. Comment below, like it, and share it. We'll see you at Discover.
All right, thanks.